Well, welcome to Sunny Approach. Today we are going to try and see if we can remove the shower curtain in our Airstream Interstate. And it sits in this railing up here. And at the end of the railing, it's crimped in. So I'm going to try putting a screwdriver in there just to open up that crimped space. And hopefully that will enable me so it comes free. Let's see if that, not quite close, but not quite there. There we go. There we have it. All of the pieces. One shower curtain. And now we'll be able to wash it and put it back away before our next camping trip. If you find this tip helpful or you enjoy our content in general, certainly invite you to become a subscriber to our channel at Sunny Approach. If you leave a comment or a question, we will do our utmost to respond. And with that, have a sunny day.